KIELTYKA Gladkowski was present at the Emerging Technologies for Defense Conference in Washington, organized by the National Defense Industrial Association in cooperation with Emerging Technologies Institute. With a speech on the crisis in Ukraine, the needs and results of new technologies, of the most modern battlefield on the NATO Frontiers, the recording of which is presented in a separate video. Lawyers from the Polish law firm KIELTYKA Gladkowski presented information based on their experience in assisting clients from Europe and the United States of America in the sector of edge computing, artificial intelligence, biotechnology, and above all, cybersecurity. The presentation also covered an extremely interesting phenomenon of Polish jurisdiction, consisting in a large sphere of knowledge about the facts of this conflict based on information from OSINT analysts. This presentation will try to recapitulate the most innovative technologies that are being used or applied in the pending military conflict in Ukraine. It may seem strange why lawyers talk about new technologies in defense. The answer is that we are involved in helping clients in a number of transactions in the defense sector involving the use of new technologies. As a lawyer, I would like to explain that the information and issues on the border of technologies result in the fact of most recent legal problems that we face when assisting in defense sector, including certification, regulatory matters, safety, cybersecurity, data protection, liability for artificial intelligence defects in software, as well as monopoly and non-competition issues. As a lawyer, I would like to say that Poland is a special jurisdiction when it comes to this conflict. Poland, as a neighbor of Russia in Kaliningrad Oblast, Belarus and directly Ukraine, with the border crossing in Medica, which is and was the main border point for refugees in the first days of the invasion, and having a military hub to manage support between the West and Ukraine, is also a member of NATO and a member of the European Union. It is a jurisdiction in which press releases and activity in social media which report on the course of the crisis and analyze the situation on the material conventional front line are also a source of knowledge worth emphasizing. It is an activity based on the thoughts and analysis of semi-official and private OSINT, open source intelligence analysts who deal with military issues and the Ukrainian crisis itself. The presence of KIELTYKA Gladkowski lawyers at industry conferences is part of the overall development strategy of our law firm. Thanks to events such as the conference combined with exhibition of many US defense companies, our lawyers try to understand the needs of defense companies and new technology being traded. This helps us to better legally support our clients and best protect our clients' interests. I would like to thank the organizers of the conference, not only for the opportunity to deliver our presentation, but above all for the excellent organization of the event, which gave us the opportunity to listen not only to the officials of the US Department of Defense about the Replicator initiative, but also about new directorate of Indo-PACOM, which stands up to better understand the industry.
Welcome to the White House. Nation.